Freck. I think obviously when we widen our moral circle, you're right that it becomes more and more difficult to actually avoid causing suffering or death for other creatures. I swat mosquitoes too. I even step on cockroaches from time to time. Um, but I think what we realize as soon as we do widen the moral circle is that the fact that we're alive requires us to uh, sort of take energy from other beings. So our existence is, by definition, causing suffering for some other life form, because at a certain level, life is competition. I think it's just as much, or if not more so, about cooperation. But there is that element of competition because there are limited resources and so on. So, um, plants aren't sentient, but there's no ultimate difference between an animal and a plant. Someone once asked Alan Watts why he was a vegetarian, and he said, cows scream louder than carrots. So even being a vegetarian, we're still killing in order to live. But I think the point is, we need to be aware of the fact that we cause suffering for other beings and other life forms, and that we should always act to minimize it. We can't ever completely get rid of that suffering that we cause, but we can act to minimize it. And I think that's all we really need to do, is to resituate ourselves as one node in a network of relationships between many organisms, all the way down to bacteria, and then to realize that we need to take care of that entire network if we ourselves want to survive. So, there's a selfish motivation underlying all of this. But really, we shouldn't do it because we want to survive. We should do it because we recognize the value of the whole network, of the whole Gaian ecosystem. So that's about all I can say about it. So thanks for the video.